How to change the ringtone sound on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on sound. So in here, tap on sounds and vibration. Next, tap on ringtone and scroll down the list and select a ringtone that you would like to use. And that's it. Tap on the back key to save the changes, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can change the ringtone sound for incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy on the Samsung Galaxy A15. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.